Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to folks watching on onespotmedia.com and those of you on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first this evening, the Education Transformation Oversight Committee is reporting progress in the implementation of the recommendations outlined in Professor Orlando Patterson's report.
Now, although acknowledging that the advancement has been slow, ETOC Chairman Dr. Adrian Stokes contends that significant changes are happening. He was addressing a press conference at the University of the West Indies Regional Headquarters this morning.
Sandy Williams reports.
The Education Transformation Oversight Committee, ETOC, is inching up the progress board, reporting a 23% implementation rate of the 365 recommendations outlined in the Jamaica Education Transformation Commission JETC report, just 1 percentage point higher than its last grade in January. Speaking at a press conference held at the University of the West Indies, Mona, ETOC Chairman Dr. Adrian Stokes assured the public that while progress may seem slow, the wheels of reform are turning in the right direction. Dr. Stokes said a previously stalled piece of legislation, the Jamaica Teaching Council Bill, is now firmly back on track. The bill aims to give the teaching profession a much-needed boost in standards and support.
The team at the ministry, including the minister, made good progress on moving the JTC bill forward. We spoke about last quarter that this is a very, very important initiative. It will serve to improve professionalism within the teaching profession. And we're looking forward to this critical piece of legislation moving through the final processes, parliamentary processes.
7 new initiatives have been completed during the current reporting period, bringing the total number of completed efforts to 15 since the transformation push began.
We are happy that the standards and guidelines for micro-credentials have been developed and operationalized. These will be used to assess and place these qualifications on the National Qualifications Framework of Jamaica and to allow JTEC to archive them in the Qualifications Registry of Jamaica. So that's an important milestone for the ministry. Of note, the provision to assess services to children with disabilities and behavior disorders is now included in the data sets of schools and the NEI reports.
In a move to bolster early learning, the Early Childhood Development Cross-Sectional Oversight Body has also been re-established, with 13 members, including the Ministry of Education's Permanent Secretary. The group held its first meeting in February, setting the stage for better oversight of Jamaica's youngest learners. Looking to the future, the Ministry of Education is gearing up to roll out 50 new recommendations in the current financial year. If all goes to plan, nearly half, 47% of the JETC's proposed changes will be underway by 2026.
We have reviewed those already, and that will take us to 171 of the recommendations being actively pursued. So Jamaica, we are not sitting down on this. We are working.
The JETC was launched in July 2020 and chaired by Professor Orlando Patterson. Its mission, a top-to-bottom review of Jamaica's education system, structure, operations, and all, to recommend bold, actionable reforms. With each initiative checked off, the ETOC hopes the country will move from talking chalkboards to actual change. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.